What's next for TB vaccine research? What does the future hold for tuberculosis vaccine research? The focus is on developing new vaccines that can provide stronger and longer-lasting protection than the current Bacillus Calmette-Guérin vaccine. This is especially important for preventing pulmonary tuberculosis in adults, as the BCG vaccine offers inconsistent protection against the most common and contagious forms of TB. Several promising vaccine candidates are currently in advanced clinical trials. One notable candidate is the M70-AS01E vaccine, which is a protein and adjuvant subunit vaccine. In Phase 2b trials, it showed about 50% efficacy in preventing active pulmonary TB in individuals with latent TB infection. This success has led to a large Phase 3 trial that is enrolling thousands of participants worldwide to confirm these results. Researchers are also exploring live-attenuated vaccines derived from weakened strains of Mycobacterium tuberculosis. These vaccines aim to elicit a more balanced and effective immune response compared to BCG. One candidate has shown complete protection in non-human primate studies and is now advancing in preclinical research to understand how this protection works. The TB vaccine pipeline is diverse, including whole cell vaccines, subunit vaccines, viral vector vaccines, and even emerging platforms like messenger RNA vaccines. This variety increases the chances of finding an effective vaccine that works well for different populations and age groups. A key goal of new vaccines is to prevent pulmonary TB in adults, who are the main source of transmission. Unlike BCG, which mainly protects children from severe forms of TB, these new vaccines aim to stop the progression from latent infection to active disease. This is crucial for reducing TB incidence and transmission globally. However, accelerating TB vaccine development requires sustained investment and international collaboration. While funding has recently increased, it remains a challenge, especially for costly late-stage clinical trials. Partnerships among governments, global health organizations, academic institutions, and industry are essential to overcome scientific and financial barriers. Moreover, efforts are underway to ensure that once new vaccines are approved, they reach the populations most affected by TB, particularly in resource-limited settings. This includes planning for manufacturing, distribution, and integration into existing TB prevention programs. In summary, TB vaccine research is entering an exciting phase with multiple candidates advancing through clinical trials. These efforts are vital to achieving the World Health Organization's goal of ending the TB epidemic by the year 2035. As we look ahead, the focus will be on confirming efficacy in large populations, securing funding for late-stage development, and ensuring equitable global access to these new vaccines.